So basically I had nothing planned for this week at all. So instead of just a clean with me, it's going to be a clean my car with me. Like I said, I had nothing planned. So I had done one of these probably like a year ago, and we're going to do it again. My car needed it. No, I did not wait a year to clean my car. It's just we are about to get cold here in Arizona. And when I say cold, I mean like 70 degrees. So I know for everybody in like different states, you're like, what are you talking about? That's summer. But pretty much it's gonna get cold, so I'm trying to get everything done now. That way I'm not freezing my butt off when it comes to cleaning my car. I'm not really the type of person to go and take my car in to get it clean. I'm very cheap and very frugal, and I like to do it myself. So yeah, today we are going to clean my car. So if you guys just want to watch me clean, or you guys want to get motivated to clean your car maybe, then go ahead and keep on watching. And by the way, for all you car folks out there who are all about cars and stuff, I know that my cleaning job isn't great. Okay, I get it. But it's just, I want to make the car look presentable. Like, it doesn't have to be all fancy. This is an older car. It's like an '06. It's a Jeep. It's an older car. It doesn't have to be, you know, sparkle, shing, shing type of thing. But I want it to look presentable. Like, I don't want to be driving like a rust bucket type of thing. And if you guys have one, I'm not talking crap, I promise. But I'm just saying, it's not to look amazing. It's just to clean the car just a little bit. Plus, I live in the middle of the desert, and it gets dirty like in 2 seconds. So everything you just see right here, oh, actually, everything you see right here being done, it rained like 2 days later. Yeah, it's like a given. Like, if I want it to rain, wash my car. That's honestly how it is. I even told my husband last time, I said, the next time that it rains, I'm just going to park my car outside, wash it with the rainwater, and then pull it in and dry it off, because it's like the only benefit that I get. Because if not, I do all this stuff, and then the next day it rains. Every time.
The last weekend of summer, the empire at our fingertips, the autumn to discover. If I would have had the worthiness to be the perfect lover, would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Valentine. Valentine? Would you be my Valentine?
Come over, don't fight how you really feel. Come closer to me. I'll give you something to believe in. Come over, don't fight how you really feel. Come closer, please. I'll give you something to believe in. All I really need's a little motivation to pull you from the other side. What I need to show you is my obligation. How much longer can you hide? You can try and push away from me. You kick and scream, you're begging, please. But once you get a little taste of freedom, you'll wanna get up off your knees. Come over, don't fight how you really feel. Come closer to me. I'll give you something to believe in. Come over, don't fight how you really feel. Come closer, please.
That is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I apologize so much for not having anything done. I just showed you little tiny clips of me cleaning the car. The vacuuming thing, I need to actually go to a vacuum place because everything else is just But yeah, I apologize for not having anything filmed. I promise that there is a whole bunch coming soon. All my Thanksgiving gluten-free ones and all that, they're all coming very, very soon. They're in the process of getting edited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And that's gonna be it for this video. Bye guys.
In a crowded